How to work the page menu options. To open the Pages menu, you click the Pages button in the top left corner of your window. You'll see a lot of options here. Not all of them are visible. Some of them only appear when you place your mouse pointer over the area. We do this to keep the interface simple and clean. Here are the most important options to learn about. 1. Navigate and reorder pages. 2. Open the Page Options menu. With this you can organize widgets, rename a page, duplicate one, share, archive, or even delete a page. 3. Star a page. When you do this, it will appear in the star menu in the header. This is especially useful if you have many pages or if you want to present a page while hiding your personal pages. 4. Open the page settings in your user admin. This is where you have a lot of other options. We'll just mention it now and leave a detailed explanation for another video. 5. Navigate to the Pages gallery. This is where you see all the Start Me pages our users have shared with the world and the community. Very surprising and interesting. 6. Our final option to go pro. If you want to unlock all pro options our service has to offer and become even more productive online, click this button at the bottom.